Today, we will cover real trading examples from the crypto world with the best double bottom pattern trading strategy. I'll go over 3 successful trades and 1 mega failure. Then show you the cruel side of trading. No trade is certain. We will go over everything in step-by-step instructions. Hello friends, hope you're doing great. As I promised, today is all about examples of trading double bottom pattern. Nowadays I trade the cryptocurrency futures the most. This is why I'll go over examples with coins, because trading cryptos is so much fun, but it's not easy at all. I hope that I can make things a bit easier for you so you can have more successful trades. If you're ready, let's start. Okay, as usual, a very quick recap. Please skip this chapter if you remember my first video. Step 1. Confirm downtrend and double bottom. The first thing you should do is spot a double bottom and a small downtrend channel with lower lows and lower highs. Step 2. Confirm support line. This optional step is important because finding a strong support line for double bottom makes the trade stronger. Step 3. Confirm RSI divergence. Since we are trading a reversal pattern, we are taking a high risk because we play against the trend. RSI divergence is your best friend for reversal trades. Step 4. Confirm entry. We will go over 2 types of entries. One, risky but rewarding, and the second one is a more secure entry with a market structure change. Okay, our first example is IOTA. I specifically chose this example because in the real world, you will rarely see the perfect shapes or patterns. This is why I state every single time, forget the shapes and patterns and focus on the charts. What does this chart and price action tell me? Okay, let's go step by step again. Step 1. Confirm downtrend and double bottom. As you can see, there is a mini downtrend here. Sellers pushing the price down, making lower highs and lower lows. Let's check the double bottom. If you notice, the double bottom pattern is quite obvious here. But why? Why can't sellers push the price down anymore? What is really happening here? So there is some force prevents bears from pushing the price down, and it is about step 2. Step 2. Confirm a support line. Okay, now I put a horizontal support line and see if this support line has been tested before. Is it strong support or a weak one? Let's zoom out a bit. As you can see, there are multiple test and support zones. So this means this price level is critical and the price always struggles around this price level. A great signal for double bottom pattern. Step 3. RSI divergence. Now, what I see is both double bottom and RSI is almost flat. I don't see much of a divergence. So, I'm not getting a positive or negative signals from RSI. I made RSI divergence an optional step here. It is just a supporting step. If there is a divergence, it is great for us. If there is none, it's still okay. Step 4. Confirm entry. In our first example, we will use the risky but rewarding entry. Now, I need to spot the red candlestick with the largest body, which is close to the support line. As you can see, this is the red candlestick that I focus on. This candlestick also has small wicks. So, this was the last powerful attempt of sellers to push the price down. If the buyers can beat this candlestick, they may reverse the trend. Now, my entry is the first green candlestick which beats the high of that red candlestick. As you can see, this is my entry candlestick. My stop loss is at the bottom of the pullback. It is not a tight stop loss because I'm using a 4 hours time frame. If you want a tight stop loss, place your stop loss at the low point of your candlestick, but be careful, it could be tested quickly. My take profit is around 2 hours as usual. Okay, let's see the trade now. Okay, let's check a position with a secure entry. This time, we are looking at SOLUSDT, which is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Again, I'll go step by step. Step 1. Confirm downtrend and double bottom. As you can see, the downtrend is significant, making lower lows and lower highs. Right now, sellers are in control of the price. Just like my previous example, at some point in time, sellers get exhausted, trying hard to push the price down and create another significant lower low, and forming our double bottom. Step 2. Confirm a support line. Now, let's draw a support line and check if this is a strong support line or not. You just need to zoom out the chart and look for support tests. If you cannot find support lines, please open a higher time frames and control the support line again. Okay, as you can see, the support line was tested 4 times. If a support line is tested so many times and has not broken yet, it means it is a very powerful one. Step 3. Confirm RSI divergence. This time, we have quite an obvious divergence. Well, as I said before, double bottoms are a reversal pattern. It means that you are playing against the most recent trend, and RSI divergence is your best friend supporting your reversal trend patterns. Step 4. Confirm entry. Okay, let's confirm a more secure entry this time. First of all, as you can see, the market structure is changing from lower lows and lower highs to higher lows and higher highs. It is a new momentum. This is called a neckline. Some traders jump to trade when a neckline breakout happens, but I wouldn't call that is a more secure entry. I need confirmation of at least one higher high and higher low before entering a trade. After that, everything is turning into my number 1 trading pattern, which is bull flags. Entering a bull flag is so simple. Wait for the pullback and then a breakout. My entry style is the same. First green candlestick that beats the high of the pullback breakout candle. This green candlestick is my entry. My stop loss at the bottom of the bull flag pullback. And my target is at 2R as usual. Now let's see the trade. Okay, let's check Ethereum. This is an example of imperfect double bottoms. As I said, if you wait or search for perfect shapes, patterns or charts, you will never enter a trade. Because the reality is much more different than trading books. Step 1. Confirm downtrend and double bottom. If you notice, sellers are quite powerful with the security. The downtrend is extremely strong. How do I know this? Please look at these red candlesticks. These have extremely large bodies. The bears are beating the bulls. But around 3000 price point, there is a strong support. The strongest supports and resistance generally appear around big round numbers. Step 2. Confirm support line. Let me draw the support line, see if it is tested before, is it strong enough for us? As you can see, it is tested multiple times. It is an extremely powerful support line. Step 3. Confirm RSI divergence. Now, we have significant RSI divergence here. I love RSI divergence. It gives me an extra layer of comfort in my positions when I'm searching for reversal trades. Step 4. Confirm entry. Let's find a risky entry for this one. I'm looking for the last red candlestick with the largest body, which is close to the support line. As you can see, this red candlestick is insanely strong. But if the bulls can beat this candlestick, we have a window to enter. This green candlestick finally beats the high of that red candlestick. I place my entry order here. My stop loss order is at the bottom of the pullback. Finally, my take profit order is at around 2R again. Now, let's watch the trade. Okay, my final example is Bitcoin, and this one is special because I lost money with this trade. I wanted to show you this example. Even if you have 100 out of 100 confirmations, you will still lose money in your trading life. Step 1. As you may see, we have an amazing downtrend here, with extremely clear low lows and lower highs. Furthermore, we have a perfectly shaped double bottom here. Actually, this was a triple bottom. As you can see, there was another support line test here. Step 2. Support line. The support line was tested a couple of times, and price struggled around this price level. But those tests were not extremely clear. There was so much noise. Step 3. There was no RSI divergence in this one. Both double bottoms and RSI was flat. It was the same. Even if this was an optional step, I had to be more careful about RSI divergence. Step 4. Entry. Now, when I trade crypto futures, I'm mostly using 5 to 20x leverage, which depends on the position quality, how much I trust the position, and the time frame that I use. I added this to my tradable watchlist and started waiting for a possible secure entry. And you can see the bull flag shape finally appeared. After this pullback breakout, I was waiting for a candlestick to beat the high of this candlestick. Later on, I entered the trade around here. At some point, my gain was over 20% with my 10x leverage. But of course, I was so sure about this position. I believed that I could easily make over 100% because I did it many times before. Market structure change was obvious. A new higher high and higher low. I placed my stop loss at the pullback, and my take profit order was around 2R. I was certain that I would eventually close the position with a nice profit. But the reality is cruel. In the end, I lost more than 20% with this position. I want to repeat this. Even if you have 100 out of 100 confirmations, losing your money is the main part of this game. Nothing can change this. Okay folks, I hope you gained so much useful information and you'll be able to use it in your trading life. Double bottom pattern with RSI divergence is an extremely powerful way of trading. With a little practice you can easily improve your game. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this one, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Take care and see you soon.